Okay, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to add content to digits. So when you open up digits, you're going to go to your programs. I'm going to choose 7th grade. And up at the top, you're going to see My Content. You could also go to Create Content if it's something completely new, but I'm going to start with My Content because you can actually see some of the other things we have created. So what I'm going to do today to add content is I'm going to create a test. So click up here to Build a Test. We're going to give it a title, and because it's a demo, we're just going to call it Demo. Description, we'll call it Practice. And do we want to set it for 70% mastery by default? We do want to do that. That will help us when we go to look at the data later. And you have a choice here. You can either select questions from a bank of questions or write your own. Today we're actually going to select from a bank of questions and then hit Next. So what you just need to do is decide which standards they're going to be doing. So since we just did geometry in our unit, we're going to choose geometry, and specifically we're going to talk about prisms and pyramids. So let's go to that information. And it says search selected standards. Now it gives you a series of assessments that have been created or are already in the system for you to draw questions from. So one of the things you could do is go to the unit geometry test, decide which lesson you want questions from. So this would be topic 10, lesson 1, question 6. So if you want to choose this question, you would select it. Then you would go to a different topic, maybe topic 11, lesson 4, question 4. If you want to use that one, you can use that one. If you decide, oh, I don't want this question anymore, just unselect it. I'll just put another question on here. This is probably about prisms, pyramids actually. So I want to choose that one. And let's say that I'm done choosing questions from that geometry test. Let's say I want to go to a specific topic test, and I'll go to topic 13, surface area and volume. And I'll select a few questions from that. You do get to preview the questions, and just like the other tests and homework, the students will get this question, but the values may change. So this way each student is getting a unique assessment. And we'll choose that one as well. When you've selected a good stretch of questions, you can either start a new search or click that I'm done adding questions. It'll let you preview your test. I only chose 4 questions. And we're going to click Done. And now I've created my own content in digits. This will work for tests, this will work for classwork assignments, or whatever else you need it for. I know one of the drawbacks of digits is that we do not have quizzes, but we can easily create quizzes using this tool. So that's something to consider if you do want to have quizzes through digits. Next time I do a video, we can look at how to build our own test using our own questions. There is a couple of specific things that they want you to do, especially for open-ended. And that's going to be the end of this video.